along the beach, and some of the garbage I'm seeing mostly are cigarette butts. Cigarette butts. I mean, they don't disintegrate. And when the beach is not an ashtray, it's not a giant ashtray. Look, they're everywhere. Here's another one. Here, look, there's another one. I don't know what animals think they're food and they get clogged in their system. There's another one. I mean, every other foot there's a damn cigarette butt. There's another one. Shall I keep going? We had a really wild storm last night, so a lot of crap washed up on shore here. Here's some fishing twine. Another thing I see a ton of are plastic utensils everywhere. I mean, people eat on the beach, or it comes off boats or cruise ships, or I don't know, but it is everywhere. So I don't know. That looks like a nice seaweed salad. Let's see. I need a little garbage bag. I don't have anything to carry trash in right now. Somebody lost their little shoe. That one to go in the trash. I wish I had brought a bag with me today. Last week there was the bird. Yep, he's by the fisherman now. He's eaten by the fisherman. And he came up to me. Look at this. Before I go into that, this looks like a fishing line or a fishing net. Anyway, he was all twisted up in this stuff. And his foot was, almost looked like he was ready to be amputated. That's how tight the fishing line was wrapped around his foot. And he hopped up to me screaming. He was awful. He just let out this horrible scream. And I went to move, thinking maybe I could throw my heat trap over him, but he took off. Anyway, he seems pretty adjusted to people. This fisherman over there is feeding him. You just can't see him. There's a little fisherman there. He's over there eating. He's throwing him bait. So he's pretty acclimated to humans. Poor guy doesn't know that it's humans. It's the humans' error that he lost his foot, because it looks like it fell off eventually this past week. And it's probably the same bird. Anyway, just another sea animal pays the price for human garbage. So I found a feather I was hoping to start working on today, and lo and behold, there is a paintbrush stuck in the seaweed. So I guess paintbrushes are garbage here as well. Let's see. It's not mine. This isn't my paintbrush. But it's looks like an oil brush. Somebody forgot their car. They parked it on the beach. They forgot it. Isn't that cute? Well, I'll take this one home.